Mommy, if I go to school and I don't come back home, will you come back for me?
What did you just say?
Billy from next door said that school is a place.
It's a place where mommies leave their children and never come. Tommy, look at me. Who is Billy?
The boy next door. He is 4.
And where did Billy hear that?
From his brother.
How old is his brother?
5.
Baby, that is not the truth. James, please come.
I heard. I'm coming.
No, it's morning already. James, wake up.
5 more.
James, it is Monday, Josh's first day of school. Get up.
Oh, yes. Okay. I'm up.
Mira, Josh, time to wake up. Mira, Josh, good morning. Time to get up.
Good morning, Mommy.
Good morning, my love. Come on, sit up. We have school today.
School! Yes, we have school today.
Wake up! We have school today.
No, I'm sleeping.
Josh, come on!
No, I don't want to go to school.
Josh, baby, look at Mommy.
Mommy?
Good morning, my love. Today is a very special day.
I don't like special days.
Yes, you do. Come on, up. Okay. Mira, brush your teeth.
Okay, Mommy, I am brushing my teeth.
Josh, come here.
I don't like brushing my teeth.
Josh, buddy, brush your teeth or the sugar bugs will eat them.
Sugar bugs?
Yes, little bugs. They live in your mouth, and they love dirty teeth.
Oh no, Mommy, please, give me toothpaste. I want to brush my teeth. I don't want the sugar bugs to stay in my dirty teeth.
Okay, little man, here you go.
Daddy, you are so funny.
It worked, didn't it?
Yes, it did.
James, please don't scare the little boy.
But he's brushing his teeth now, Mary.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Are the bugs gone, Mommy? Are they gone?
Yes, baby, all gone. But brush slowly, like this, up and down, up and down. Up and down, up and down. Bye-bye, sugar bugs.
Bye-bye, sugar bugs.
Josh, stand still.
This shirt is itchy.
It is not itchy.
It is itchy. Right here.
That is why you need to stand still and wear your school uniform.
But I don't want to go to school, Mom.
Don't worry, baby. You will meet new friends in school. You will be happy.
Okay, Mommy.
Mom, this shirt is itchy too, and these shoes are too tight.
I just bought those shoes last week. They hurt my feet.
James!
Yes, I'm here.
Can you come here, please?
What happened?
Your son says his shirt is itchy and his shoes are too tight. Please continue with him while I get breakfast ready.
Of course, I've got this. Buddy, look at me. You know what cool kids wear on their first day of school?
What?
Exactly this. Blue shirt, nice shoes. You look like a superhero. 100%. Captain Josh.
A superhero?
That's right.
Okay. But the shoes are still a little tight.
I will put on your soft socks, and it would be better.
Okay, Dad.
Buddy, is it better now?
Yes, Dad. I feel much better now. Mommy, how do I look?
You look beautiful, my love.
Thank you, Mommy. Josh, you look really nice too. Dad says I look like a superhero. You do!
You both look wonderful today.
Thank you, Mom. Yeah, thanks.
Of course, now big hugs. Mira, orange juice or milk?
Orange juice, please.
Josh?
Milk.
Good boy. Josh, are you okay?
Mommy, what if the teacher is mean?
Oh, baby, she is not mean.
How do you know?
Because I met her. Her name is Miss Clara. She is very kind. She loves children.
What if the kids don't like me? Josh, everyone will like you. You are funny and nice. Really? Yes, really.
Eat, Captain Josh. Superheroes need a big breakfast.
Okay.
Yes, Ella, we know. You want eggs too.
She always wants what they have. Mira, I have a sandwich, an apple, and a juice box. Okay?
Mom, please, can I have cookies too?
You have 2 small cookies in there already.
3 cookies? Yeah, 3.
2 cookies, Mira.
Okay, 2.
Josh, come here. Tell me, what do you want in your lunchbox?
A sandwich.
A sandwich it is. Josh, do you want peanut butter or cheese?
Peanut butter. And can I have my dinosaur crackers?
Of course. And a banana. And a juice box.
Mommy,
Yes?
can you put something special so I remember you?
Yes, baby. I will put something special for you.
What did you write?
You will read it at lunch. Okay?
Okay.
Mary, you are going to make me cry.
James, please stop it.
I'm just saying.
Help us get the school bags.
Okay, is everybody ready? Let's go!
Ready?
Josh?
I feel sick.
You feel sick?
My tummy hurts. Oh.
Let's get you some water.
My tummy hurts.
Buddy, that is not sick. That is butterflies.
Butterflies?
When we are nervous, our tummy feels funny, like butterflies flying around inside.
That sounds weird.
It is a little weird, but it means something exciting is happening.
Something exciting?
Your first day of school, buddy. That is very exciting.
I will hold your hand in the car, okay?
Okay.
Mira, are you sure it will be okay?
I promise, Josh. I promise.
All right.
Let's go, family.
Daddy, there are so many people.
I know. It's okay. Stay with me.
Look, Tommy, look at the playground. Do you see the slide?
It's so
Good morning. Welcome, welcome. Are you Josh?
Yes.
Hello, Josh. I am Miss Clara. I am so happy you are here today. I love your blue shirt, Josh. Blue is my favorite color.
Yeah.
Yes. And guess what? We are going to paint today and sing songs. And I have a surprise. Yes. But it is a secret. You have to come inside to see it.
Mommy, she seems nice.
I told you, baby. Good morning. Ready for the first day?
Yes, I'm excited.
Okay, Captain Josh. This is it.
Are you going home?
We are going to take care of baby Ella, but we will be right here at 2 o'clock. Right here at this door.
I love you so much. You are brave and strong and wonderful, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
And remember, at lunch, open your lunchbox.
The special thing.
I'm just down the hall. Room 4, if you need me, okay? Room 4, but you won't need me. You are going to be great. Welcome, Josh. Let's go inside your new classroom. Class, we have a new friend today. This is Josh. Everyone say hello.
Hello, Josh. Hello.
Josh, you can sit here.
Hi, I'm Ben. Is that a dinosaur on your backpack? Yes, it's a T-Rex. That is so cool. I love dinosaurs. You do? Yes. Do you like dinosaurs too? I love dinosaurs. We can be dinosaur friends. Dinosaur friends.
The kids should be out by now. We got here right on time.
Yes, they'll be here very soon.
Mommy, Daddy, I had the best day.
Wow, that's my baby girl.
We want to hear everything, but first, where's your brother?
Daddy! Daddy!
Hey, Captain Josh, how was it?
Daddy, I made a friend. His name is Ben. He loves dinosaurs just like me.
I knew it. I knew you would have a great
And Miss
day.
Clara showed us the surprise. She has a real fish tank in the classroom with real fish.
Oh, wow.
And we painted. And I painted a dinosaur. Miss Clara put it on the wall.
Josh, I am so proud of you.
Mommy, I read your note at lunch.
You did?
I love you too.
He did it.
Yes, he did.
Can we come back tomorrow? Yes. I want to see the fish again, and Ben said he will bring us up. Then we'll be here tomorrow. Daddy?
Yes, buddy.
The butterflies are gone.
I know. And you know what that means? What? It means you're not scared anymore.
Yeah, I'm not scared anymore.